play the drum. To put a grip on the wrist while they place the injection in, they don't seem to care about how they inject you with that injection. It kind of leaves like your arm had a couple of jabs, and doesn't really feel right that instead of being cool and like comfortable with all the medication, like when you get home, like for like a couple of days, like 3 to 4 days or 5 days, even a week, even like maybe 2 weeks, your arm would actually have this painful muscles, like there were couple people who jabbed did some jabs on your arm. Yeah, and I know that if there was some capitalism around, there's also another group of people, like the medication, like the nurses, who act like they're nurses, but they're actually hate you. Or something like they're holding you and keeping you captive, like so that they can make you think that you are a prisoner or something. And that's the situation where other elders, like in the homes, hospital homes, like the elder people that you see on the internet, they get abused by these nurses too. And for some reason, if I get injected, like once in a while I get therapy, I only need to get therapy only to get some support for my, like, to get some mental support, and instead they're giving me some pressure on my physical health, and not really physical health, they're putting a warning against my mental health as well, like placing a grip that's so tight, like, yeah. These people really hate you, like, they're acting like nurses, like, you probably been placed there by some group of people who places to stop in mall and places to go to, but places that you can go to buy stuff if you want to buy. And these nurses as well have been given that command to give you pressure, like in a ninja way, like if you were someone, like for example you were your mother in the hospital, get that injection, your mom will not see it, but you will feel it.
Last reason.
I know. Well, for now I don't care, but something right will happen soon. Or probably it already happened. I don't care, man. I don't care. Okay. So, I guess I'll go to the mall right now. I'm very excited. Let me take a shower. Yeah. Okay, bro. See you.
Video call.
What is this? What video call?
Video call. Just press the video so I can see your face.
Okay, it's working.
I already went to the mall.
Did you get something? Did you buy something?
Yeah, I already bought something at the comic book shop. Thanos. Poster print. Holographic poster print. It's in my room now.
You don't have a shirt on. Are you naked?
Yeah, I'm naked, man. I don't have a shirt on. I'm sweating right now. I really biked to the mall. It's really hot. I just got home. haven't had my lunch yet, and I'm going to take a shower and eat something like lunch and just watch Netflix, and I didn't buy comics.
You didn't buy comics?
And
What did you buy? Did you buy comics?
yeah, I didn't buy comics. I bought the Thanos.
Thanos, what for? What is it?
Well, it matches the Silver Surfer Funko Pop. And I have the Lady Death statue too. Her figurine.
You really like the Infinity Gauntlet comic book, right? What are you gonna do right now?
Yeah, I'll just stay home right now. Like, I'm gonna have to wait for my next allowance so I can buy some heats or cigarettes, and I guess I'm gonna rest from the comic book shop right now. I'll go back next week or something, buy something.
Can you give me a summary of that comic book?
I'm gonna call you later because I want to take a shower now.
I'll call you later.
Okay, love you, babe.
Love you.
Ano, Adintus? Magbabayad ka ba o hindi? Sasapakin kita pag di kita magbabayad eh. Titingtingin namin lahat ng mga ginagawa mo tsaka lahat ng tungkol sa'yo. Para malaman namin kung magbabayad ka o hindi. Hindi sasapakin talaga kita eh. Pupuntahan ka namin dyan. Kung saan ka mo magpupunta alam namin. Kaya magbabayad ka dapat. Tutugasin namin. Tutugasin ka namin. Gawin mo lang kasimple yun. Maghanap ka ng trabaho. Tapos magbayad ka na. Eh wala akong trabaho ngayon. Kailangan ko ng pera. Ano? Wala kang gagawin kalukuhan na yan. Basta gawin mo lang yung dapat mong gawin. Magbayad ka. Candice? Okay. Oo nga ba? Batiin nga si Jason. Batiin nga yun. Oo, kilala ko yun. Batiin nga yun. Humimpo-himpo nga yun. Humimpo-himpo sa parang hindi ko, yung magkatabi kami. Nunod ko yung TV. Batiin nga yun. Kala mo lang batiin yun, kala mo lang yung rockstar yung babanda. Kasi ito ko'y batiin yun. Oo nga, pero ayun nga, sota nga siya yung utod ko, pero batiin nga yun. Totoong batiin yun, din. Bata. Ano? Totoong batiin nga yun. Hindi yung bating na gano'n, yung bating talaga yung bating. Yung bating na, yung bating talaga, yung totoong bating. Yung gusto maging babae. Iba dati nga yung ngayon, kaso, ganun talaga, bating talaga yung, hindi talaga, raw din talaga siya, pero bating talaga yun. Ngayon, pulot tayo yung babat lang. May mga kailangan gawin. Kailangan kayo rin. Basta ano. Sige. Sige doon. kailangan ko nga makuha yung framed art na makapagpabago ng pagpapatakbo ng oras natin. Ganun talaga kalakas yun. Kung lakas talaga yung pwersa ng frame guard. Kasi ganun, lalakas tayo. Nagagawa na nito, napapalakas na yung intention natin. Ano ko ako kapon? Nandito na. Dito, nakapwesto na siya. Kung saan siya dapat na ipwesto. Ganun nga yung strength. Ganun nga yung strength nga yun talaga. Ayos. Mangyayari. Gawin. Computer. System loading. Say the password. 231. Self-image computer. Password correct. Nakuha na natin yung kailangan na pinwesto ng gobyerno. Tayo yung nakakalam ng sekreto ng strength na yun nagagawa ng frame guard. Ayun, may mga kailangan pa ba natin tayong kunin na nilagay natin sa data. Search says it is clear. Kung ganun, continue 6 charges. Ano yung eksaktong oras natin sa precise time and day natin na makukuha yun?
Conducted approximately 2 to 3 weeks, Friday, midday.
Okay. So, ikaw naman na nagsasabi niya na ikaw ay ako. Tayo yung gagawa nun. Kaya alam mo yung gagawin.
Late morning until early afternoon.
Sakto na yung oras na yun, diba?
There may be risk for getting both charges.
Sa pagsusuli mo ngayon, kailangan pa ba natin kunin yun o huwag na natin kunin?
I'm continuing to serve it.
So, kukunin pa natin.
These requirements for what we need to allow us.
Ayos. So, pagbalik ko dito, kung may magbabago man, sabihin mo sa akin para hindi na natin kukunin. Pero kukunin natin, sabi mo, di ba?
Can you the perfect hacker?
Okay. Pwede na yun.
Perfection guaranteed.
Sige.
Confirmed.
Save mo na yan. Save mo na itong data natin.
Save completes in 50 seconds.
What's real, what's
Basta, finally, ito ni mukhang elf. Okay lang ang suot ng earrings.
We're okay here. Have you done anything in your time?
Ito lang sa bahay. Kailan ba kayo babalik?
We're not done with all the schooling yet.
Si Dad, kumusta mo?
He's good. He's really enjoying our vacation. He's doing fine.
Oh, okay. Sige ma, bye-bye. Love you. Computer, analyze the information, activities.
Activities are all printed, and there's something special.
And all this on the switch.